Hey everybody, it's Greg McDaniel and welcome to our script of the day. Okay guys, congratulations. You have successfully found a buyer, but you're not quite sure if they are going to work with you exclusively. They've made some noises of maybe working with another agent or in different areas. And I'm sorry guys, I don't care if you're brand new and this is your first person or you have been in the business for a while and you've been working with a lot of buyers. No one should be jerked around by a buyer who's going to maybe use you in a certain area. That's not nice, and that's not the way you should run your business, because this is where you make your money, where you feed your family, where you make the money to buy your clothes for you and your family. So do not work with someone who's going to do that. And this is the script on how to vet them out, okay? So this is how the script goes. Hi, Matt. Hey, Matt, Jessica, I am so excited that we are going to have the opportunity to work together. But I just want to share with you how I work, just so that we all know. First things first is that this is a relationship, okay? A professional relationship. And I'm going to devote myself 100% to you. And I'm going to only ask that you devote yourself in return 100% to me. It's kind of like a dating relationship, okay? Remember when you guys met and you guys went on your first date? This is what this is. This is our first date here right now. And I really want to get to our second date, which means we're going to get to the next level of this relationship, aka we're going to go out and start to see homes together. But you know what? What happens a lot is sometimes, people cheat on each other, and nobody likes to be cheated on, right? And cheating in this instance would be if you were to work with another real estate agent. You guys wouldn't want to work with another real estate agent and cheat on me, would you? No, I didn't think so. And eventually I really want to get to marriage. I want us to get to that intimate relationship where we're locked in together. And that's us getting into contract, finding that beautiful home for you, and making that dream come true of getting into that larger house. Do you guys agree with me? Is that okay with you if we work this way? Because I bring time and knowledge to this relationship. And that's what I bring. And I just want to see if we're on the same page. That's the script, guys. I will tell you one thing. As much as it sucks, pretty much all of us have been cheated on in some way, shape, or form in our lives. And it blows. It does. And that's the feeling I'm trying to evoke out of the buyers and sellers. I want them to go back in their history, remember that pain of that guy or that gal cheating on them and how devastated they were. And then they'll tell them, you don't want to do that to me, do you? They're gonna be like, I don't want to cheat on you. Mentally, that's what's gonna be going through their head, okay? Now, don't play it up to a ridiculous level, but definitely get that point across. I know you're gonna feel a little weird saying it to them, but it is highly effective when you do. And if you trip and stumble over your words, fine. Just get the main idea out there and you'll lock in your buyers. And you guys will work, go find that beautiful house together. Thanks, guys.
Hey, guys, thanks so much for checking out our script of the day. If you like the video, be sure to subscribe to our channel on YouTube. That's how YouTube really knows that you like this type of content. And then if you're not already aware, if you haven't watched us on our real estate podcast, Real Estate Uncensored, it's all about how to combine high-tech and high-touch methods to build a life of freedom through real estate. So you can look us up on iTunes or Stitcher and subscribe to Real Estate Uncensored. Look forward to the next one, guys.